We are pleased to show you the 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.